For me, I'm mainly responding to my user community, helping them do sales analysis, do warehouse analysis, really taking the different types of data that we have in our database and turning them into reports that they can use, or creating models that they can do ad hoc analysis on. The main feedback that I get has to do with the response time for the solution and how quickly they can get the numbers that they need. There's also, along with that, an idea of it would have taken me forever to do this in the AS400, or this is so much easier, that kind of thing. I also have people come to me and say, I'm doing this thing, it takes me 6 hours to do, once a month. Can you help? And we'll put something together, and Diver will do all that for them, and all they have to do is open the report, and their work is done. I think one of the nicest things is the tool set that Diver gives you for delivering data. I've used the visual integrator for just general data parsing, not necessarily for my clients, but for instance, when we did an acquisition a couple years ago, we were given data in a very odd format, and I used Integrator to prep it to feed into our database. So I think that the tools that, for instance, the visual integrator, the tools that Diver provides, or DI provides, is really valuable for doing data manipulation, as well as creating content that people need in order to do their jobs. Recently, I was using some dial scripts to generate content for our CMS system. We had a wide audience that needed some reporting, and rather than trying to write a custom program or something that would generate that content, I was able to just take the information out of Diver, use dial to spill it out to several hundred users. I imagine if I was creating that from the ground up, it would have taken me a few months, but with dial, probably a few days. I really hope to buy some new hardware and then do a new install with 6.4, take advantage of the scheduler, triggering, things like that. Also push a little more for our portal adoption from DivePort. We're using it for branch managers, and we're using it at the corporate level, but there's some other business units that I think could really get benefit from it, so I hope to roll that out a little bit more. Additionally, I've been encouraged to do a little more training, so hopefully put a more regular training program together for our users. Most users that have some computer knowledge, that are able to use a mouse and work with most Microsoft applications, they just run with Diver and they love it. They're able to pick it up and immediately start getting value out of it. I always joke with people that you can do a lot with it now, but you will always find more that you can do with it as you continue to use it.